Why did you eat that? Who give you that car, Pepe?
Papa.
Who give you that car? Ate. Who, ate? Who, ate?
He said me.
You only get that one? Oh my gosh, marunong na ikaw.
You should never try it. Let's try it again. Okay, here we're back again. Let's try it again. This time I don't want it. Oh my.
Sela, wag mo nga i-torture yung sarili mo, Sela.
Let's try in the living room. Here we're back in the living room. We're going to try this again. In 3, 2, 1. Come on, Saba, come join. You stand up. No. I keep on falling down. There. Told you. Never try that. Now, let's see if it's okay or not. No. Oh. Now we'll never try this. We're joking. Guys, here this is my dad's puppy. Okay, it's here. He's under the table. Here is he. Do you see him? He's God. Go check, look. I'm never trying that ever again. Bye, girl. Bye.